All right, it is July 6th, Tuesday. Going over some more stocks. Let's start with LHDX. I love this stock right here. This was at 37. Was this 30? We'll call it 38. This thing dropped all the way. 30. Look at this. 18. All the way down to about 430. Now, what's been happening with this? See the stochastics too? You can use that as a trend. Look at this. Bounce, down, bounce higher, bounce higher. So you can see these highs are getting higher. You know, the low keeps coming back. You know, is this going to drop again far back possible? You can see the retracement level 161, 50, 38, 23.6. So this is way below the 23.6 Fibonacci level. That's around 12. You know, this is a double if this gets up here, which it will eventually. So, yeah, what we have here to test it was too soon. And then came back here, went to 6, went up to 7. Draw this line across. So what are we going to do here from here? So let's look at the weekly. The weekly is just formed the 20 EMA to 13 EMA. See this is trying to round down. Big space here. So this could touch up and then bounce back. Get caught up between maybe 8 and 10. Stochastics down here is 2247. This is way oversold. Yeah, I'm not sure how long this is going to take. We can go back and forth, eventually break up. We'll probably break up to 8, 8 to 10 to 12. You know, that's my main target. I'm looking for 12. So anywhere from 8 to 12 on this. So I love this. So I love this first swing. Yeah, there's not much downside. This could come back and test a little bit, but yeah, this is looking very strong. EBIX. All right, this had the big move up from 20 all the way to 60 plus. Then came down. Look at this gap right here. And then this went to just below 25. Came back to 30. Then here's 26. Try to fill, well, get over, fill the gap slightly. Went as high as like 37. Coming back now, oversold. Now the low's getting higher here. This could come back to this line. Maybe this comes back right here to 28, 30-ish. So look for that, and then we could bounce again possibly on the weekly. Get away from the mic here. The weekly, see it trying to cross a little bit, but it's like a big space here. It's tough to say in that weekly what it's going to do. But as long as this low keeps getting higher, you know, we'll see here. But I'm looking for 30 to 28 if it drops here. And it might come up a little bit before that and then retest this 37, 38. So check that out. All right, here's CETX. There's a line here at 4. Here's 3. And here is 1. Now, you had a big spike back here in June, in January, and June of 2020. And you can see here in March, this has put in major spikes on CETX, like all the small caps. So this is coming back down. They made a big run, you know, bounces, but it's chopping now. You're just getting chopped back and forth, 125, 150-ish, 175. Yeah, ultimately look for the 1 to hold if this comes back. If we can break above 150, 175, look for this to go back up, you know, towards eventually 2 plus 3. But nothing now. You need some sort of volume, you need some momentum to go with this, so there's nothing doing now on this. The weekly, you know, we're starting to come up, stochastics a little bit, but you're still running in the 1320 EMA. So not much doing now. So you can see the major spikes there. This will put another spike. It always does. It would surprise me. You're just not sure when. Look for news. So LHDX, I love that. That is a swing. Could be a few weeks to a month. That should really hit once that starts to turn on. So that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kamen Trades. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Twitter, Mike K Trades. Instagram, Mike 98. StockTwits, Mike Kamen Trades. Instagram, Mike 98. And that's it. Peace.